morning, students. You have learnt about the HCF and LCM in third chapter. Now, this practice set 13, question number 1 you had already learnt. I had taught you. Now we will solve this question number 2. Find the HCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Only one example I have taken. See, example is given as 32 and 37. You have to find HCF and LCM of the numbers given below. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given numbers. Their product means the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the given two numbers. This we have to prove and show. This is a rule of HCF and LCM. One of the rules. So let us find out, let us solve and find and learn the rule. So find the HCF and LCM. So to find the HCF and LCM, let us find the prime factors of these two numbers. So prime factors of 32 is equal to, you have already learned to find out HCF and LCM. So it is even number divisible by 2. 2 1 is 2, carry 1 is extra, 2 6 is 12. Again 2 8 is 16. Again divisible by 2, 2 4 is 8. Again divisible by 2, 2 2 is 1. Again divisible by 2, 2 1 is 2. So it is equal to as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 times. Okay. Now, prime factor of 37. 37, this number itself is a prime number. So we can write it as 1 into 37. No other factor. Now see, what is the HCF? HCF of 32 and, or first let us find out the common factor. Common factor of 32 and 37. Now, can you find any common numbers here? Any common factors? There is no common factors. When we don't have any common factors, then we have to take the common factor as equal to only 1. Because here I can write it as 1 also. 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 6, 6 to the 32, 32 1 is 32. I can write it as 1. And the prime factor of this 37 is 1 into 37. So you can see that 1 here and 1 here are both common. So when you don't find any common factor, then always common factor of those numbers is 1. So common factor of 32 and 37 is 1. Therefore HCF of 32 and 37 is equal to 1. Now let us find out the LCM. So before finding the LCM, you know that LCM of any two numbers is equal to HCF into uncommon factor, or common factor into uncommon factor. So let us find out the uncommon factor. Uncommon factor. Now you can see this, all these numbers are uncommon. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again here into 37. So multiply all this. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 6, 6 to the 32. 32 into 37 is equal to what? Let us find out. Into 32. 2 7 are 14. Carry 1. 2 3 are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Then 3 7 are 21, carry 2. 3 to the 9, 10, 11. So add it now. 4, 7, 8, 1, 1. So it is equal to as 1184. So this is uncommon factor we have got. So LCM is equal to HCF into uncommon factor, or I can write it as common factor into uncommon. It can be also written as common factor into uncommon factor. So LCM is equal to, now HCF is 1, multiply by uncommon, we have got it 1184. So 1 into any number is equal to the same number. So the LCM is here 1184. Now according to the given question, let us verify what is given. See, find the HCF and LCM. I have found the HCF equal to as 1 and LCM is equal to as 1184. So how to find the HCF and LCM of the given numbers? Verify that their product, means the product of the HCF and LCM, is equal to the product of the given given numbers. Now what is the given numbers in the question? 32 and 37. So HCF into LCM is whether it is equal to the given these two numbers, product of this, that is 32 into 37. So HCF into LCM, therefore we can prove now HCF into LCM is equal to as product of, that is, it must be equal to 32 into 37. Now we know HCF is 1 into LCM is 1184. This is equal to 32, given two numbers. Already we have multiplied 37 to 32, it is equal to this 1184. So you can see that HCF into LCM is always equal to the product of the given. 1 into this number will be equal to the same. So it is 1184 is equal to again 1184. Now you see HCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. So HCF we have seen 1 into LCM is 1184. It is equal to, now if I find the product of this, it is, see, 32 into 37. 7 2 is 14, 4 carry 1, 7 3 is 21, 22, then 3 2 is 6, 3 is 9. So if I add this 8, 9, 10, 11, it is equal to 1184. So we come to know that now 1 into this is equal to 1184. It is equal to 1184. From this we learnt that the product of the HCF and LCM is always equal to the product of the given two numbers. So always, that is the rule number 1. Rule number 1 we learn, that is product of, that is HCF of and LCM. HCF, the product of HCF and LCM of any two numbers is always equal to the product of the given two numbers. in short, the same rule I can write it as HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Now from this rule again I can find formulas. Now suppose that product of two numbers is given, LCM is given. You have to find out HCF. The question is given in this way. Then HCF is equal to as product of two numbers divided by LCM. If you want to find out LCM, then LCM is equal to again product of two numbers divided by HCF. Is suppose product of two numbers, you have to find out that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So you get from this rule, you get one formula, this is the second, and this is the third formula. Three formulas. You have to learn this three formulas. So HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Then HCF is equal to product of two numbers divided by LCM, and LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF.